Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Truth Politics and Gemma Bharti. Today's discuss new topic. Recently you see around of your countries and conflict. Step 2, World War III. What does this matter in geopolitics? Very detailed explain the meaning of sea power. Sea power refers to nations' ability to use seas for military, economic and politics and strategic purposes to protect its own interest and influences others. Mehman defined sea power as not morally noble strength but a composite of geography, commerce, navy and national characters. Geopolitical positions. Iceland states or states with access to open seas gain advantage. Example, Britain, Japan, India, central positions in the Indian Ocean in a modern advantage. Physical conformations, coastline harbors, long coastline, deep natural harbors, natural harbors facilitate trade and naval bases. Example, Europe and Africa. Extent to territory, longer coastline supports shipbuilding, bases, logistics. Example, USA Atlantic plus Pacific access. Population's size provides sailors, laborers and markets. National characters. Commercial outward looking societies develop maritime strength. Example, Dutch and British. Character of government. State support for navy and trade is crucial. Example, British mercantilist policies. How sea power ruled the world. Historical perspective. The economic dominance. The control of sea lines of communications SLOC enabled trade monopolies, resource extractions. Example, British control of global trade routes, Dutch East India Company, military supremacy, naval power allowed force projections, blockades. Example, British blockade of Napoleon, US naval dominance post 1945, colonial expansion. Sea power enabled overseas empires, British, Spain, Portugal. Empire on which the sun never sets was a maritime phenomenon. Geopolitics thinker Alfred Thayer Mahan Sea Power School argued that the control of the sea is the chief among the material elements in the power and prosperity of nation. Large battle fleets influenced US naval expansions, Japanese imperial strategy. Julian Corbett balanced view criticized Menon and over military sessions, viewed sea power supporting land operations, protecting communications rather than seeking total sea control, emphasized limited war and joint operations. View of Lackender Land power critique based on heartland theory. Who ruled the heartland commands the Balts Iceland argued railways reduced maritime advantage land over counter sea power. Land power. This created the sea power versus land power debate. Spikeman remained synthesis, reconciled sea and land power, control the reinforced importance of maritime control along Eurasian's coastlines. Modern geopolitics perspective. Sea power now includes submarines, aircraft carriers, maritime dominance, awareness, non-traditional threats, piracy, energy security, choke points, Hormuz and Malacca. Relevance of sea power. Global level US maritime dominance versus forward naval bases, freedom of navigations, operations, FON, OPS. Indo-Pacific. China's strategy. Strength of peers. South China Sea militarizations. India's response. Sagar Doctrine. Quad emphasis on Indian Ocean dominance. Limitations of classical sea power theory. Underestimates air power, cyber warfare, missiles. Modern warfare is multi-domain. Yet 90% of world trade is still moved by sea. Choke point maintained strategically decisive. Malacca Strait. Between Malaysia and Indonesia, China's energy lifeline. China's fear a blockage here by USA India alliance. This called Malacca Dilemma. South China Sea, $3+ trillion trade passes yearly, rich in oil, gas, gas, fisheries. China claim most of it. This is why US Navy, most of petroleum Asian countries feel threatened. Red Sea and Indian Ocean to Suez, recently affected by conflict. Small disruption, global shipping, chaos. Naval power and is equal to global power. Historically, British Empire ruled the seas, ruled the world. USA replaced Britain after World War II. Today, US has the strongest navy. China is rapidly expanding its fleet. Air carrier, submarines and naval bases are used to secure routes, show power, stop enemies without fighting.